Help support our coverage with a free account on Privacy, the service that keeps you protected when shopping online. Get $5 to try it now by using promo code QZZ2J.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Can you please introduce yourself for us?
Yeah, my name is Paul Tan. I'm the co-founder and the COO of ScopeMedia. Yeah.
ScopeMedia, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yeah, ScopeMedia is the AI startup company in Vancouver, Canada. We are expertise in computer vision and machine learning. We have developed a visual-based personalization for product recommendation for e-commerce retailers with a focus on fashion. Yeah.
Okay, awesome. So these work with e-commerce stores. What exactly are the products that you're selling?
Actually, the service we are selling is a SaaS, SaaS service. It is based on the AI model. So you have 4 modules, like you can do similar product search. For example, if you can embed it into your website, e-commerce, if one product is out of stock, or then you can find a similar products, right? And similar products, people may also like those. And we can also do the service like a competitor look. If you find one product, you can also find other product which match that product you are wearing, or try to make it look stylable.
Awesome. So these are 4 main add-ons for someone's website, correct?
Yes.
So how exactly do these work? What do they look for? How do they connect with the person on the website?
Yeah, it is the recommendation for if similar to the Amazon's recommendation service. For example, if you have when you choose a product in the detail page, and you will have some bars, like you may also like inspired by your browsing history or personalization and the recommendation. Those for in the online website, it will look like that. And you can also do search. For example, you can just do a visual search and search some similar product by uploading a image. Then you can search those kind of product which are similar to that product. And it is work good for product which is selling by its visual image. Yeah.
So how do these help the shop? How do these help the online shop?
It will help them increase their conversion rate and help and build their customer loyalty, right? And we also build this package, this core service into a Android app. So we call it AI Stylist. So it can be installed in those LCD big displays, which have touch screens, and it can be installed in the front door of the physical store or something like that.
Of course.
Yeah.
So this is kind of a win-win for both the consumer and the customer?
That's right, yeah.
How did you get into this space?
Yeah, we have, our company was incorporated in 2013. We try to focus on the visual data for all the time. Since day one, we try to understand the content of the image and the video. And at the beginning, we are trying to build a visual data based search engine. So we have spend a lot of time develop some hash algorithm, so we can hash the visual data much faster, and can be make it very search very efficiently in the visual data, and it's scalable. So later, when we try to find an application to apply for our technology, we are thinking the most closed scenario maybe just the e-commerce fashion retailer, because all the fashion, when you try to buy a clothes, it most likely is attractive by the image or the model wear it. So it's the closed use case for our technology. So that's why we got into here.
Awesome. I really like this idea. It sounds really awesome. If like I'm going on a website, it's good to know that like they learn about me, and that's definitely through your technology.
Yeah, for personalization, we also build you call it a fashion ID, for example. For example, if you look, you just give us your social media account, you can look at your posters and analyze those photos you posted, or then you can try to understand what kind of fashion style you like. So do the recommendation based on your preference. Yeah, that's our fashion style ID. So that's easier for you to use it in different stores. So you can always bring this with you. They also find easier to find the style you like. Yeah.
That's awesome. I really like this. So are you live in any shops right now?
We have for the e-commerce, we have some shops alive in. We have over 2,000 shops, online shops around the world that are using our service. For the physical device, we plan to do a beta store in Vancouver. Maybe once it is open and the people is going back to physical store, then we try to install it in a beta store in local. Yeah.
Perfect. What are you most passionate about with this product? I mean, service.
Most passionate about this, yeah.
Or even AI in general.
Yeah, for AI in general, we think that AI is in the future. It will be AI will be applied in all different industry, and it will be more close to our personal daily life. For this product, I think in our application level, the AI is not like a movie, but it is just try to help your daily life to improve to increase the productivity and the process automation to help you do some boring things, tasks you don't like to do, or you waste lots of time. So AI is trying to improve your productivity. That's I think it will be our mission try to improve your daily life. Try to use the AI to improve the style or something. Yeah.
Perfect. I really like that. So what are you looking forward to with the future of your tech specifically?
In the future for tech, we will try to improve the efficiency of the e-commerce running. For currently, we have the service. We focus on the fashion, but this service can also apply to all the other vertical sections. Like you can for furniture and other luxury and those jewelry, or any product which is selling with the image will be a good place for us to use our technology.
Very cool. So what would be the pricing on this, depending if someone would come up to you and contact you about adding this to their e-commerce shop?
Yeah, you have a out of box package which you are release on those e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, Magento, and for large customers, you just have customized build because they have different requirement, either different way to integrate into their existing backend. So the price will be customized and the service is customizable.
So if anyone wanted to find out more information about your company, where can they go and how can they find out more?
Yeah, you can go to ScopeMedia.com. We have a website there. And they can find more information from our website.
It's definitely a really attractive website. I was on it earlier. Very, very good stuff on there. I mean, you can learn a lot just by reading through your material.
Yeah. I will check there's a link to the Scope Style store. There's some demo features for our fashion index or related trending index. I will check that link.
Yeah, and that's also attached to your website, correct?
Yes, yeah.
Well, thank you so much for coming on the show, Paul.
Okay, thank you for having me. Okay.
Have a great rest of your CES 2021.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I hope you enjoyed that interview, and if you did, make sure you check out some of the more than 100 interviews we conducted during the virtual CES 2021 coverage. And of course, subscribe here on YouTube, hit the notification bell to learn when we post new content and when we go live.